Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cos Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 5 here in, where am I? I am in Wilmington, North Carolina, and I am happy to be here. Yes, we have relocated from Florida. We're here. The studio is done. It's up. It's ready. For me, it's ready for you if you all want to come down and paint, and I am excited. I'm going to do a fun little technique that I learned from Darling Brian from Studio 15. I'll post a link in the description box for him. I think he calls it a chaos rainbow swipe or something, but I watched him a few months back do it, and it was marvelous, and I thought, let's go ahead and give it another try. But I'm also going to leave a lot of negative space up on top, because when it's dry, I'd like to do some brush work on it. So that's what the plan is today. We are working today on a, what is this? I think it's a 6 by 12, 5 by 12. Let me check. Hang on. It's a 6 by 18 edge canvas, and they are so much fun. I get these at Jerry's Artarama. I usually wait till they go on sale, but I love these canvases. They're good. They're sturdy. They got good tooth, and I've had great success with them. Let's talk about our colors and how we mix them. In this cup right here, I have golden fluids in the Titan Buff. Right here, Yummy Tri-Art Philo Turquoise Light. I get all of my Tri-Arts where I get my piggies and crackle paste and texture paste from Fluid Art Co. There's a link as well in the description box. Right here is Tri-Art Manganese Blue. I hope I say that right. Lovely shade right here, golden fluids in the green ore. Right here is Liquitex Bright Aqua Green. And right here in this cup is Tri-Art in the Carbon Black, and this paint, and only this paint, is mixed with the super secret sauce, the Aussie Floetrol. We have 1 part paint to 2.5 parts Aussie Floetrol. Now, most of these, this is a transparent paint. This is an opaque paint, semi-transparent, transparent. What is this? I believe that this is an opaque paint as well, and the Tri-Art Carbon Black is opaque. Now, our negative space is going to be made out of this lovely shade right here. That is Amsterdam, their standard series, and that is their Titan Buff Deep. What else do I have to tell you? I'm going to swipe with palette knives, but I might even use a damp paper towel because I can get some good squiggle and whatnot with that. So I'm happy to be here. I'm happy you guys are here. I'm going to put some music on and we're going to get busy.
got it all, but I'm paralyzed. I don't know which way to go, but I keep walking right into your arms, and even falling. I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I'm figuring it out. This is all 'cause of you. 'Cause you take my breath away. All the voices inside my head used to be my only friend, but they go silent when you're around. I hope you'll stay till the end, but I keep walking right into your arms, and even falling. I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I'm figuring it out. This is all 'cause of you. I'm standing with you,